Understanding hidden backup, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, hidden backup. This phrase is often used in various contexts, and understanding it can be really helpful for English language learners. So, let's dive in and uncover the layers behind these words. Hidden refers to something that is not visible or not easily noticed. It's often used to describe something that is kept out of sight or is not obvious. On the other hand, backup typically refers to a support or reserve option. It's something you rely on when your primary option fails or is unavailable. Hidden backup is often used in different scenarios. 1. Technology. In tech, it refers to a backup system or data that is not immediately visible or accessible, but can be used in case of a primary system failure. 2. Everyday life. It could also mean a plan or resource you have that isn't initially apparent to others, like a secret skill or an emergency fund. 3. Workplace. In a job setting, a hidden backup might be an unannounced contingency plan or a team member who can step in if needed. Let's see how hidden backup is used in sentences. We lost our data, but thankfully, we had a hidden backup system. Always have a hidden backup plan, in case things don't go as expected. She's my hidden backup. She steps in whenever I need help at work. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of hidden backup. Remember, it's all about having something reliable yet not immediately noticeable, ready to support you when needed. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.